Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use NordVPN on your iOS or Android devices. So firstly, simply download the application from App Store or Play Store. Then when you reach inside your application, you will find an interface something like this. So just for information, NordVPN has over 5,400 servers across the globe in over 60 countries. So no matter where you are on the globe, you will find a connection to a server. So now let me show you what are the features in NordVPN. The first setting is Quick Connect. So by clicking on this, you will be connected to the most fastest and nearest server to you. And if you look down, you have more options like specialty servers. So if you go inside the specialty server folder, you will find three options: peer-to-peer, onion over VPN, and double VPN. Now let me explain you what each and every one of them does. So the peer-to-peer VPN is mostly used for torrenting or for Tor browser, and the onion over VPN is mostly used for Tor browser and unreachable websites. And the last one is double VPN. What double VPN does is, so it creates a double protection layer against you and someone who is trying to access your information through online. So that's what all the specialty servers does. Now let me show you some few important settings. So in order to access them, just simply click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner, then click at the setting icon at the top right corner. So the first setting that you should open is protocol. So there are a few protocols over here, but my recommendation would be NordLynx, and if you don't want to use this, just simply keep on recommended. That's gonna work as well. So just go back. Then you can also add your custom DNS if you have one. Over here you can also add your custom DNS. Then if you scroll down, you will have few more options in tools like threat protection, kill switch, and tab jacking protection. You can just simply pause the video and read what the features does. And after that, the last setting that you should know is in general, which is appearance. Over here you can set the theme of the application. Do you want dark or light? It's up to you. So now let's connect to a server. For doing that, just simply go back, then go to the main home page by clicking at the globe icon at the bottom left corner. Then just simply scroll down, and over there you will find a column called all countries. Just choose a country. Let's say, for example, let's go with Malaysia. Simply click on that, and then your VPN would be connected to Malaysia. But if you want to quick connect to the nearest server, you can just simply click on quick connect. And as you can see, it connected to Vietnam, which is probably the most nearest server to my location. So that's how you can connect to a server in NordVPN. And after you're done with your work with VPN, you can just simply press on disconnect, and the VPN will be disconnected. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.